So it's October and I'm switching back to shoes from sandals, and my feet could just use a little bit of a cleanse. So today Shiloh and I are going to show you how to make a cleansing foot soap.
Give your feet a makeover.
For this recipe, you'll need a cup of Epsom salts, 3 drops of Autumn Air Essential Oil blend, 5 drops of eucalyptus, and 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. You can go ahead and swap that out for another carrier oil, but this one works great. So to start, we're going to mix our essential oil and carrier oil together so that it gets safely diluted.
So 1 tablespoon of coconut oil.
So I got 3 drops of Autumn Air and new essential oil blend for Simply Air. Smells amazing.
And 5 of the eucalyptus.
We mix this to make sure the essential oils get properly diluted, otherwise they might absorb into the salt directly because salt's really absorbent. And that can cause irritation with your feet. Just make sure that won't happen.
Okay, they are mixed.
Pour the Epsom salt in. And I'll add the oils. Then you're gonna stir it until it kind of looks like wet sand. So it'll all look like the oil is on it. This is what it should look like. The oil is evenly spread out through the salt. And next step is to put it in a container and label it. So we have a little container here. You can use this whole mixture right in a foot bath, or you can spread it out a little bit. So this is a cup, and use a 1/4 cup for each bath if you would like. Otherwise, you can use the whole thing. Another way you can use this is as a scrub for your feet. This salt is a very strong exfoliant, so you'll only want to use it on feet that have thick calluses on them. So I'm Katie.
And I'm Shiloh.
We're certified aromatherapists for Simply Earth, and we love teaching people how to use essential oils.
Make sure you go to our website and check out our recipe box.
Our recipe box has 4 full-size essential oils and 6 recipes created by aromatherapists that make using essential oils really easy.
And we test them all before they get to your door.
This recipe comes in this month's box, so make sure you check it out.
And don't forget to hit subscribe. See you later.
Thanks for watching. Essential oils like to...
Sorry. I thought it was going to be really fast for you to notice me being on, but that was not happening.